Nifty 50 fell about 2.9% this week. इंडिया की डिपेंडेंसी ऑन मिडिल ईस्ट फॉर ऑयल विल डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट आवर एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी एंड इन्फ्लेशन रिस्क की वॉर की ड्यूरेशन उतनी ना हो जितना हम सोच रहे हैं. The oil prices have spiked around 28% this week. तो अब इन्वेस्टर्स को किस चीज पे फोकस करना चाहिए? इस हफ्ते ग्लोबल मार्केट्स में एक ही बात चली है, दैट इज द यूएस ईरान कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड इट्स रिपल इफेक्ट्स अक्रॉस ऑयल, करेंसीज एंड इक्विटीज. लेट्स रिकैप कि हुआ क्या है and what it means for India and our market. First, the geopolitical context. While Iran has projected its strength publicly, economic scenario एक अलग picture दिखा रहा है.
Iran is only 7% of the total GDP of the Middle East, 18% of the population, and 27% of the land in that region. There is a clear mismatch.
इससे हमको ये पता चलता है कि वॉर की ड्यूरेशन उतनी ना हो जितना हम सोच रहे हैं. यूएस एनालिस्ट इनिशियली प्रेडिक्टेड दैट द वॉर कुड स्ट्रेच ओवर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड, लेकिन जैसा हमने हमारे पिछले कैप्सूल्स में दिखाया है, ईरान का मिलिट्री स्ट्रेंथ डिप्लीट हो रहा है, वो भी काफी तेजी से. अकॉर्डिंग टू रिपोर्ट्स, एट द ऑनसेट ऑफ वॉर ईरान हैड अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 3,000 to 4,000 मिसाइल्स, out of which they have expended nearly 25 to 30% of their inventory. On the naval front, 9 Iranian ships have been sunk in the Strait of Hormuz, which indicates that they have substantially depleted their military strength. इस conflict में एक major global choke point has come into focus. That is the Strait of Hormuz.
India's oil supply crosses the Strait of Hormuz, which is now under tensions.
As a result, the oil prices have spiked around 28% this week, with most of the spike happening in last couple of days. इसका direct impact हुआ on global as well as Indian markets. India के लिए Middle East has always been an economically crucial region.
India का total export में 17% of the export goes to Middle East.
India की dependency on Middle East for oil will directly affect our energy security and inflation risk अगर इस रीजन में डिसरप्शन होता है. However, India does have a partial buffer. Russia reportedly set aside approximately 9.5 million barrels of oil for India, और US के 30-day waiver की वजह से Indian supply chain is expected to stabilize significantly. अब देखते हैं how markets have reacted. Nifty 50 fell about 2.9% this week, indicating global risk of sentiment and rising energy prices. Foreign investors ने भी इंडिया से काफी पैसा निकाला है, with FII outflows roughly about $1.3 billion during the last week. This led to rupee weakening against dollars as our import bills comes under risk. और globally sector wise भी काफी uneven गया है this past week. Aviation stocks पे भी काफी pressure आया है as oil is one of their major operating expenses. Paint and chemical companies also declined as most of their raw material cost comes under derivatives of crude oil. And on the other hand, defense stocks में काफी interest बढ़ा है as geopolitical risks arise. Spending in defense sectors also increase by quite a margin. Energy sector में oil exploration companies ने higher crude oil prices से काफी benefit किया है, लेकिन oil refinery companies पे margin pressure काफी बढ़ा है. तो अब investors को किस चीज पे focus करना चाहिए? Key variable remains oil prices and security of Strait of Hormuz. अगर tensions घटते हैं and supply fear subsides, oil prices will go up and markets can make up for the losses for the last week. लेकिन if disruption escalates, inflation, currency की stability and equity market पे काफी गहरा impact हो सकता है. For now, the markets are navigating through a complex mix of geopolitics, energy shocks and capital flows. So investors keep a very good eye on all these aspects. To stay updated and for meaningful inferences, subscribe to Torch Investment Lab.